Hi, this is John with WTI, and I wanted to get some protection for my Galaxy Tablet A7, but at the same time, I don't like chunky covers that are going to look too big. That looks like you have an armor in your tablet. But this one from Spigen, it just works great. It looks like a cover from a phone, stylish and nice. It looks like with the whole idea of being simple and minimalistic as Spigen mostly does. And if you find out and check like how everything is worked on, it has an armor in the inside of the cover. Easy to take out, easy to grab in, no problem. So it is made out of a quality materials that are going to take care of your tablet for mild drops. And at the same time, it's going to look stylish and not going to add a bulky feeling. So if you're looking to add some great protection to your tablet, like Spigen always knows how to do this is a great one. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.